Let's compare the Simplehuman 10-liter trash can against the Simplehuman kitchen trash can. So very similar, as we'll see, shape to these. The biggest difference is really going to be the size. So the 10-liter is a smaller trash can. It does have a stainless steel design. It's got the pedal that can open and close the trash can, but it is going to support only 10 liters. Now the kitchen trash can, on the other hand, you can see basically the same design. It's got the stainless steel, it's got essentially the same shape, and it has the same pedal you can use to open and close. But the biggest difference is that this kitchen trash can is 60 liters, so it's 6 times bigger than the Simplehuman 10-liter trash can. And so I think really the best thing to use these for is this one is for the kitchen. It's bigger, it's for if you're cooking, or you want to be able to throw your recyclables in there to recycle. The 10-liter is a small trash can really designed for a bedroom or a bathroom, which is what I use it for. Both are great, both very similar design, similar look, similar materials, similar use with the pedal, but I would use the 10-liter in your bathroom or bedroom and save the 60-liter, which is quite large, for the kitchen.